Thinking about jumping into Catizen and earning rewards on Telegram? In this ultimate guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to start playing Catizen, how to join the Plate Earn airdrop, and give you some helpful strategy tips so you make the most out of your gameplay. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get set up with Catizen, understand the game options, and be ready to start earning while you play. Let's dive straight in. First things first, open up Telegram and head over to the search bar at the top of your screen. Here you'll want to type in @Catizenbot, that's spelled Catizenbot all together. The bot is the gateway to everything Catizen offers. If you're new to Telegram bots, they're basically automated accounts that guide you through interactive experiences, and Catizen is one of the hottest right now for Plate Earn games and airdrops. Make sure you spell the bot name exactly as shown so you land in the right place. Once you've found @Catizenbot in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a chat window with the bot. Now you'll see a big start button. Click that to begin. If you've never interacted with a Telegram bot before, don't worry. Clicking start is just like opening the front door to the Catizen universe. It'll trigger the bot to greet you and show you a menu of options. Next, to get involved with the Plate Earn airdrop, look for the Play for Airdrop button or menu option. This is your ticket to getting free rewards simply by participating in Catizen's mini-games. The airdrop is basically a giveaway or reward distribution to active players, and it's a fantastic way to earn without any upfront investment. Just a heads up, sometimes the interface updates or there might be a minor delay as the bot loads the options, so if you don't see it right away, give it a few seconds or scroll down to find it. Once you click Play for Airdrop, you'll unlock access to a series of quick and fun games designed to engage you and reward your participation. Now let's talk about the games themselves. Catizen offers several types of mini-games inside the bot. First, you have shooting games. These are great if you like quick reflex challenges and aiming for high scores. Think of them as digital target practice, and skill here can lead to bigger rewards. Then there are casual games, perfect if you're just looking to relax and have some fun. These might include puzzles, matching games, or simple tap-and-collect challenges, really approachable for everyone, even if you're not an experienced gamer. Catizen also features external games, which might launch a different app or web page. Sometimes these offer unique missions or bigger prize pools, so don't be afraid to check them out if you're feeling adventurous. Each time you play, you're building up your activity score for the airdrop, and that's what really matters if you're hoping to snag those rewards. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you play a few rounds each day or spend some time exploring all the game options, your effort adds up. Don't worry if your first attempt at a shooting game doesn't net a high score. Practice really does make perfect, and the important thing is to stay engaged and enjoy the process. And that's it, you're set up, playing and earning your way through Catizen on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more tips, drop a comment down below. I always check and respond. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future guides and secret Plate Earn strategies. Good luck and happy gaming.